loans have become NPAs, ancestral properties are gone, assets bought by hard-earned money is all gone. There is no employment. The people in that belt have been dependent on mining for the last 3-4 generations. Their skill sets are all related to mining and mining related businesses. Today they cannot find alternate employment. There is sufficient study actually done on the economic health of the state, how much the state has lost, about 5,000 crores every year, and foreign exchange, district mineral funds, so many things which the state and which the people are falling short on because mining has been stopped. But there is no study which has been done on the mental health. The mental health, because of banks calling for repayment of loans, because of no employment, there is serious depression. The mental health, mental equilibrium is affected. Today, because of COVID times, this is what they were telling me, cases of domestic violence are increasing because people are contained in their houses. They have to vent out frustration somewhere. So what is happening in the villages is very, very grim. The only solution appears to be proper resumption of mining. And this is what we have moved the Honorable Supreme Court, because as the voice of the people, these people are elected representatives. 26 panchayats totally account for about 1.3 lakh, 1.5 lakh population. In 2014 itself, the Honorable Supreme Court had taken note of the arguments of the panchayat that about 1.5 lakh people are dependent on mining. Now today, at least there were about 2 to 3 lakh people who are indirectly, all of whom are suffering. So this is the point which we made also to the governor today inside. The governor is fully appraised of the situation. Some other points mentioned to him, he has taken note of. He is absolutely positive. He is also of the view that resumption of mining would be the best solution for improving the plight of Goa and all people in the village. So we are hopeful. We have put forward our case before him. We came to meet him to inform him about the impediment which we have filed, and also because we had previously made a representation. And let us see, we are hopeful that something positive will come out. Governor apeksha manje we were looking at previously in the representation. We have made certain requests which are being considered by the governor, and he has also informed us that he has spoken at the central level to consider those requests. So that was also something which we impressed upon, and we are hopeful that something positive would come out of that also. So 18th is the hearing in the Supreme Court. We are hopeful that the matter will be heard in the Supreme Court, and our implement would also be allowed. The Supreme Court, like in 2014, will also give us a hearing now, and we should be able to put forward the plight of the people as being the true voice representing people, to put forward what is the suffering and what are the cascading effects which are being felt.
Mental health बद्दल तुम्ही जे तुमचं पेटिशन आहे कोर्टा मुखार गेला फक्त गव्हर्नराक इन्फॉर्म केला?
गव्हर्नराक इन्फॉर्म केला आम्ही इम्प्लिमेंटानूय घाला ऑफ हाऊ. एंड सी, इट इज नॉट समथिंग विच इज टू डिफिकल्ट टू फॅदम. म्हणजे when first of all unemployment, secondly investments made gone bad, banks calling for repayment of loans, ancestral properties acquired by are all getting attached. लोक करतले की नाही. There is frustration. In fact, talent जो आशिल्लो विलेजीन, the talent is also getting drained out from there. तेही वतात आणि ते परते वचे ना. So long term effects कोणे तरी चिंतून, I mean हाजेर एक स्टडी समज जाल्ली, would have been actually very, 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 very vital. Economic health has been so far all studied. Lakhs and crores of rupees that the government is losing, panchayats are losing, that has all been accounted for. But what about the actual suffering of the people? Women and children. Today children find it difficult to go to schools. Many mining companies, at least as a part of CSR programs, used to provide school buses. In certain villages, the schools are 13 kilometers away. आज आवय बापांकडे पैशात नाही. To bring 2 proper meals on the table, they are finding it difficult. या खंयच्यान ट्रान्सपोर्ट लायतले. So भुरग्यांक समज घरा बसयले, चायल्ड लेबर तुवें गोंयांत पळयला इज ऑल विंड आउट ओवर द इयर्स. फुडें परिस्थिती येतली अशी. वी आर क्रिएटिंग ट्रबल्स फॉर आवरसेल्व्स. नाव इफ यू सी न्यूट्रिशनूच समज तूं पळोवपाक गेलो, when there is no money to put 2 proper meals on table. We are talking about children, education, women empowerment here. Has somebody actually gone to see whether these people are getting a proper nutritious meal or not? And with this type of things at the back of the head, की बाबा घर ऑक्शन जावन वतलें काय ना हेंच खबर ना. तातूंत जेवण आनी कितें घालपाचें, स्कुलान आनी कितें घालपाचें, मागीर जॉब करपाक फाल्यां भुरग्यांकूय कामाक लावपाक आसा. And this is not something, I mean, this would be illegal, but this is not something which they would want to do as a matter of choice. पर्याय ना म्हणून करचो पडटलो. पण हे सगळें अरेस्ट करपाक वी हॅव अ ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी नाव. सो दॅट इज वाय वी आर बिफोर द सुप्रीम कोर्ट टू पूट फॉरवर्ड ऑल दीस केस. स्टेटाक पयशे मेळटले, स्टेट मागीर डेव्हलपमेंट करतलो इज देर, इज डेफिनेटली देर, बट अ लॉट ऑफ सफरींग विल गेट एलिमिनेटेड इफ मायनींग रिज्युम्स. आणि वॉट द ओपोजिशन म्हणजे आमगेले ती एनजीओ पळय इज वॉट दे आर ट्रायंग टू डू इज समहाव डिले and stop mining. That is their agenda.
तो फॅक्टर गोवा फाउंडेशन एक प्रकार एक ह्या जे तेजे खातीर डिले जाता, पण तेणी स्टँड पयलीं घेतलो की लेजिटिमेट मायनींग स्टार्ट जावपाक जाय. सेकेंड तेजो तेवटेन टायगर रिजर्व जावपाक जाय म्हणून ते हायकोर्टान वयता. म्हणजे कॉन्ट्रडिक्टरी
law has to be followed. In fact, today before the Supreme Court, the case is on an interpretation of law, not on environment. Nobody, I don't think any of the panchayats are saying की improper mining सुरू कर म्हणून कोणूच मागला. आमची प्रेयर ऑल्सो इज फॉर रिझम्पशन ऑफ प्रॉपर मायनिंग. प्रॉपर मायनिंग म्हणजे मायनिंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ लॉ, वॉट एवर परमिशन्स हॅव टू बी टेकन. कोणूच तुका विदाउट परमिशन चल पयशे मेळटा म्हणून करूंक लावचो ना. वॉट somehow they are trying to do today is extend the stoppage of mining. What is the purpose is difficult to fathom, but their opposition is, they say that they are the voice of the people, they represent public interest, but these people are the elected representatives. तांकां mandate fulfill करूंक जाय. लोक आज सत साधारण मनशाक एक MLA कडे मिनिस्टर सोडूच एक्सेस नासता. पयलो एक्सेस तांचो पॉयंट पंच, सरपंच. सो कितें घरान जाता घरची, कोण कितें फोन मारून बँक कशें कितें ऑप्शन करपाक येता, भुरग्याच्या शिक्षणाक हायर एड्युकेशनाक पयशे ना, चलयेच्या लग्नाक पयशे ना, हे प्रॉब्लम सगळे हांचे कडेन येता. बायलेच्या मेडिकल हेल्थाक पयशे ना, हे प्रॉब्लम हांचे कडेन येता. सो एज अ कलेक्टीव, आणि एक्चुअली ऑल 43 पंचायत 44 पंचायत आमी रेझोल्युशन जे घेतलां, जॉयंट रेझोल्युशन. बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड वी आर ओनली 26 which we have been able to galvanize to move the Supreme Court. But these people, if you ask me, they represent the true voice of people. Because collectively, they derive the wisdom and the public sentiment. And ultimately, people come to them with their demands. They have to also act. That is the mandate given to them. These people are elected by majority. See, these people have to face elections all the time. NGOs don't have to do it.
गोवा फाउंडेशनचा मुद्दा गव्हर्नरा मुखार मांडलो तुम्ही, रेज केलो.
Goa Foundation, in the past, they had made a representation to the government.
तुम्ही आता रेज केलो विषय प्रॉब्लेम करताय.
We have raised the issue to say that they cannot be said to be representing the true voice of the people. That the true voice of the people resides in the actually constitutional bodies carved out under the postulated by the constitution itself. And these are elected people. तांची ग्रामसभा असता. ग्रामसभान लोकल विलेजर्स येवन रेझोल्युशन्स घेतात. They have taken resolutions that mining should be resumed. And I don't think anybody is saying illegal mining resume कर हे कोणूच म्हणना. Legalूच mining resume कर, but तातूंत don't put spokes into resumption of mining. We have already lost out on a lot of time. And I feel personally, if you lose out on further time, the situation will only get more and more complicated. It might go out of hand. And is presently with the COVID situation, tourism industry collapsed. If the rate of unemployment, if you see in Goa, is the highest, 34.5% कितें तरी आसा. पब्लीक डेट पळय तूं स्टेटाचें आज 21-22 हजार रुपया जाला. पब्लीक प्रोजेक्ट खंयच्यान फंड करतलो? कोण आमी उलयताले पब्लीक लायब्ररीज तेंची. I mean, see, all these things could be addressed if the state coffers are filled up with money by whatever royalty yata, indirect taxes yata, district mineral fund asa. District mineral fund actually is to be used. And today with the COVID situation, tourism amgele gele. We don't know for how long. People are, in fact, mining and tourism were the only two mainstays of Goan economy. आमच्याकडे इंडस्ट्रीज ना तश्यो, बाकीच्या स्टेटान कश्यो आसा तशे इंडस्ट्रीज ना आमच्याकडे. पोर्ट एक थोडो, पोर्टाचें बी काम करता. So it is not, see, you have to have a holistic view of it. You can't just say की एक judgment आयलो 2014 mining बंद कर म्हणून. Actually, if you go to see that judgment, is also not that way. The state was given the powers. So that interpretation, of course, will be done by the Supreme Court. But in fact, I appeal to all of you all also. Take a holistic view of the matter. See, it is easy to create a problem or identify a problem. To provide a solution is difficult. We are here to see how a solution can be achieved for the present crisis, and so that the crisis don't deepen, crisis don't get worse. That is the
वेगवेगळे पिटिशन तुम्ही करता
ना आम्ही इम्प्लिमेंट घाला. पेटिशनां दोन आसा सुप्रीम कोर्टा मुखार. एक वेदांतान घाला, एक गीताबाला परुलेकर, एक मायन लीज होल्डर ताणें घाला. इन दॅट गोवा फाउंडेशन हॅज इंटरवीन, इम्प्लीड केला तांकां. That has been allowed. Sudeep Tamankar, who was also there previously, ताणें घाला. So in light of this, we have also moved the Supreme Court. They are going to put forward our troubles. In fact, we were heard in 2014 जो judgment आला तातूंत एक पॅराग्राफूच आसा. तेन्ना present law minister Harishankar Prasad ji, he was the lawyer for panchayats at that point in time. His statement has been recorded and it has been noted by the Supreme Court. In light of that statement, you can't stop mining. That there are large number of people who are dependent on mining. So that all has been taken note of by the Supreme Court. We are hopeful. So that it
मेन
should be
प्रेयर केली रिझम्पशन ऑफ मायनिंग मेन प्रेयर तुमचं या पिटिशन तुम्ही घातलं
resumption of mining. Yes, resumption of proper mining. So it shouldn't be. Yeah.
So you said ki panchayat have taken the resolution to start the mining. So how many panchayats have taken
43 signatures आशिल्ले आमचेकडे, joint representation. Right now to the Supreme Court, implement has been filed by 26. Because of COVID, we couldn't galvanize, all this social distancing. But yes, and these are the worst affected panchayats. 7 तालुका पडटा, तातूंत ह्यो पंचायती पळय आसा त्यो ह्या 7 तालुक्यांनी येता. These panchayats, see, they feel the brunt of it. तूं म्हणटलो खंयची आतां कलंगूट पंचायत, चांदोले पंचायत, तांकां they were never dependent on mining. Maybe some sort of tourism they did derive by the mining sector, if at all. But then they will not be affected by mining. And coastal belt asa, you see, COVID situation, it has actually set us back by a few years. Mining, if it doesn't resume, then we go back 25 years.
economically total loss कितलं झालं till now?
Till now, I mean, I think the
Economically.
projection, some reports which I have read, is about 5,000 crores per year for center and state. Of which state is majority. If you see, is the state earns by way of royalty. State earns by way of so many transport cess असता. Panchayats earn by way of octroi. तुझी octroi मेळटाली पंचायतीक. Trade license fees येता. Indirect taxes असता. Dead rent मेळटा. Surface rent मेळटा. You get see, indirect benefits are very difficult. Indirect benefits would be much more than the direct benefits, because mining is an industry. It is at the core of, or rather what you can say, at the helm of the affairs. Businesses trickle down, like tourism. Tourism is, say, आमचे beaches, whatever. Hotels asa. एक hotel supports so much of an industry which trickles down. There is employment. तांकां मागीर घरान रावपाक ते either घरा बांदता नाल्यार भाड्याक येता. So general standard of living improves. See, ultimately today we have to all concern ourselves with the economy. The economic condition of the state. You can't force the state to keep borrowing money, and public debt finally has to be paid at some point in time. If you have the opportunity to generate the wealth, why not? And who knows what the future holds.
On the loan, any talks have been done with the banks?
With the
Banks.
They are also on. But see, banks also have their limitation. They cannot just keep.
तुमचे नाव भाई? संदीप पावसकार. फाटल्या 8 वर्सांनी मायनिंग बंद जाल्यार आनी आमकां म्हणल्यार आमच्या ह्या वाठार मायनिंग बेल्टाच्या वाठाराच्या लोकांक कितें त्रास जाले ते आमकांच खबर आसा, कित्याक आमी तांकां फुड्यांतल्यान पळयतात. सो आमचे खंय तरी गव्हर्मेंटाकूय रिक्वेस्ट आमी कितले फावट केले, भरपूरशे एज्युकेशन आमी केले आनी ताच्या माध्यमांतल्यान गेले. आमी आज गव्हर्नराक मेळपा आयले. आमचे वाटेन रिक्वेस्ट म्हणल्यार पंचायतीचे बाकीचे सरपंच आनी सगळे बाबा खंय तरी आमकां हेल्प करचो आनी हे मायनिंग जे टेम्पररी मायनिंग मदीं 1-2 म्हयन्या खातीर चालू जाता तें न जाता परमनंट मायनिंग हें आमकां चालू करून दिवचें आनी आमच्या लोकांक ह्या जे वायट परिस्थिती आज लोकांचेर उद्भवल्या मायनिंग बंद जावन, कित्याक जे डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट सगळे लोक म्हळ्यार मायनिंगाचे 90% आमच्या वाठाराचे लोक हे मायनिंगाचेर डिपेंड आसताले. आनी राविल्ले आनी फाटल्या 8 वर्सांनी कांयच ना म्हटल्यार आतां पॅन्डामीक जाला नाल्यार कोविडा खातीर लॉकडावन येतात पूण आमचे खातीर हे लॉकडावन म्हणटा ते इकॉनॉमिकल लॉकडावन हे फाटल्या 8 वर्सांन जायत आयिल्ले आसा आनी आमी कशे परिस्थितीन हे भोगता ते आमकां खबर आसा. सो आमी
2012
हय 2012 म्हणल्यार फाटल्या 8 वर्सां. सो आमचो रिक्वेस्ट इतलोच गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन तशेंच आज गव्हर्नरा आमी स्पेशली रिक्वेस्ट करपाक आयिल्ले बाबा खंय तरी बेगींतल्या बेगीन प्रॉपर मायनींग चालू करचें आनी परमनंट मायनींग चालू करचें आनी जेणे करून आमकां सर्वायव जावपाक म्हळ्यार आमकां जगपाक आनी जिते रावपाक चान्स दिवचो इतलेंच मागपाक आमी आज गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन आयिल्ले.
यू ब्लेम फॉर वीच गव्हर्मेंट खंयची गव्हर्मेंटाक
आमी गव्हर्मेंटाक ब्लेम करना तुमच्या केस सुप्रीम कोर्टान आसा.
ना गेल्या 8 वर्सांसून चालू
8 वर्सां साकून केस 14 साकून कोर्टानूच आसा. सो आमी गव्हर्मेंटाक खंयचो ब्लेम करना कित्याक गव्हर्मेंटा सगळे गव्हर्मेंट जे रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह आसा तांकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा मायनींग गोंयांत जाय म्हणून आनी चलपाक जाय. सो ना अशें कोणाक खबर ना अशें ना आनी कोणीच आमकां आज पर्यंत ओपोज करूं ना. तर आमचो रिक्वेस्ट कितें जाता तितले बेगीन ते मुखार व्हरचें खंयच्याय माध्यमांतल्यान तुमी करात पूण बेगीन करा पार्लमेंटांतल्यान करात नाल्यार सुप्रीम कोर्टाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान पूण हियरींग फास्ट करून बेगींतल्या बेगीन हाजेर डिसिजन दिवन हे मायनींग प्रॉपर मायनींग चालू करचें इतलेंच आमचें रिक्वेस्ट.
NGO जी ब्लॉकेड हाडटा प्रत्येक फावटी कित्याक हाडटा अशी कंटिन्यू करपाक
एनजीओचो आतां आमी जेन्ना बिझनेस करता वा आमचो रोल बाबा आमचो धंदो चलचो नाल्यार लोकांक एक लायव्हलीहूड मेळचें लोकांक काम मेळचें तशेंच एनजीओचेच कितें तरी आसतलें आपल्यालें त्या प्रमाणे तें चलता पूण कोर्ट आसा न्ही लायक सो कोर्टाचें डिसिजन कोर्टान दिवपाचें न्ही. तातूंत एनजीओ फाल्यां ओपोज करता नाल्यार आनी कोण ओपोज करता म्हण ना आमी म्हणटात बेगींतल्या बेगीन डिसिजन दिया आनी परमनंट मायनींग चालू करा.
सरकारा कडेन टॉक केला तुमी आतां कशें
सरकारा कडेन आमी
गव्हर्नर
कितले फावट उलयल्ले आसा. आयचो जो सीएम आसा प्रमोद सावंतजी तेय मायनींग बेल्डांतलेच रिप्रेझेंटेशन करता आनी तांकां मायनिंगाचे डिटेल खबर आसा हालो पेस्टा कितें काडटा आमी ते. सो तोय पॉझिटिव्ह आसा म्हणल्यार आमचो सीएमय पॉझिटिव्हली काम करतात. फक्त आमी जे आज गव्हर्नरा मेळपाचो उद्दिश्ट इतलो बाबा गव्हर्नराच्या कानार घालून ताणें बाबा आपले वाटेन एफर्ट्स घेवन हें बेगींतल्या बेगीन आमकां सॉल्व करून दिवचें.
कितें एश्युरन्स कितें दिला
गव्हर्मेंट ह्या विशयाचेर तांकां आमी पयलींय गव्हर्नरान ह्या विशयाचेर पयलीं येवन मेळिल्ले आमी ताका ते पॉझिटिव्ह आसा आनी तांकां हो विशय डिटेल खबर आसा. सो तो म्हणटा गोंयची जर इकॉनॉमी चलतली गोंयच्या लोकांक जर कितें हें जाल्यार मायनींग बेगींतल्या बेगीन चालू जावपाक हो ताजें ओपिनियन आसा.
थँक्यू.